In this video, I will be showing you how to export your invoices. To access your export, go to Invoices in the left column, then click Export. Here you can see 3 accounting systems. These are QuickBooks, Sage, and Xero. When clicked, they will format your spreadsheet, so when you upload the data, no errors will occur. If you don't use these systems, there is an option to click None. This will download your data into a standard Excel spreadsheet. To start your export, you first need to choose a date range. Once this is selected, click on which system you would like the data to be formatted for. It will automatically tick VAT registered. If you are not, please untick this to keep your data accurate. Then, tick the box to acknowledge that you're aware of GDPR regulations. Once everything is selected, click Export Invoice. This will download an Excel spreadsheet, ready to be imported to your accounting system.